Milk candy making machines and depositing candy production line machines generally include the sugar boiling machines, depositing molding machines, cooling systems. Sugar machine used to boil white sugar and milk, syrup mixed together. Deposting molding machine. The depositing nozzle of the depositing machine will pour the dissolved material into the mold. The shape of the mold is made into different shapes of the mold according to the requirements. According to the shape of the mold into different shapes of candy, suitable for generating different specifications of candy, such as filled candy, cylindrical, spherical, conical candy. Cooling machine. The freezer is suitable for cooling candy after forming, which can be generally divided into fan cooling and air conditioning cooling. Different candy making machines will have different models, and the specific choice needs to be determined according to factors such as production scale, production process, and budget.